Hello and welcome to another tech tip. Today we're breaking down how those extra minutes of waiting can add up to big losses and why investing in new technology could save you more in the long run. Let's calculate the cost of waiting. If your team waits just 30 minutes a day due to a slow computer, that's potentially costing between $20 and $30 per employee daily. Over a month, this adds up to about $600 per employee, just lost waiting around for screens to load. Over 6 months, that's a staggering $3,600 per employee. For a small team of 10, you're looking at $36,000 lost to slow technology. That's a substantial hit to your bottom line. Now, if the cost of a new efficient computer is around $1,000, the math is clear. The return on investments comes in just under 3 months. Every non-lagging click and faster load time is money saved and potentially even more money made. So think about it. Is holding on to old, slow technology worth the cost? Upgrading your systems is an investment in faster, more efficient operations that pay off quickly. Ready to boost your team's productivity and stop watching the spinning wheel of death? Get in touch to find out how we can help you upgrade your business technology. Don't forget to follow us for more tech tips that will save you time and money. We'll see you on the next one.